Hello and welcome. Have you ever seen one of these before? Easy to do if you know how, hours of fun and frustration if you don't. I bet you can see where this is going. Today's project. This is no monkey puzzle tree. All the parts for this project have been designed in ArtCam and cut out on the CNC. Now, that's what I call a puzzle. 8 species of wood and a whole week to make. Well, what else have I got to do to keep me sane? I need a mould, because I'm going to set up the whole thing in resin. I purposely left a tolerance gap between the parts, so that the resin would fill all the voids. The puzzle is beginning to float. Some weight is needed. A couple of days later, I removed the mould. For those of you that haven't seen this before, I'm going to turn this across the corners. This should produce a 3-cornered bowl. I've never had a go at this before, so wish me luck. Now the piece is in the lathe, let's get turning. There's a lot of vibration. I need to get it in the chuck as quick as possible. So I'm turning a tenon. That's a lot better. Feels far safer. It's cold in the shed, making the resin very brittle. The mortise has broken. I'll have to turn a tenon and fit a turning boss. Problem averted. So it's back to the hollowing out. This hollowing out is taking forever. I'm removing the resin from the sides, as it's just splintering off. Most disconcerting, my hand is only millimeters from the sharp corners of the bowl. I don't know if it's because I'm left-handed, but that's very close. I don't want one of those corners hitting my knuckle. Well, that's it for the hollowing out. Came through it, unscathed. A lot of sanding through the grits. I'm applying sanding sealer to build up any blemishes before more sanding. Five or six coats of clear lacquer with sanding to 600 between coats. I've decided to make the base for the bowl out of Corian. The parts were milled to a circular shape on the CNC before being glued together. The shape I'm aiming for is like the base of a trophy. Corian gives such a fine finish. Just my logo to go. The completion of something very different, indeed. Hard to work out what's what. Total chaos in there. Who would have thought that those pieces made up that puzzle? All in all, a very enjoyable project. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.